lift off to a flawless, impactful, and ready-to-publish manuscript with PaperTrue's editing services.
PaperTrue has helped me from start to finish of my book, whether it be beginning with a copyright page, the proofreading and editing, which is fantastic, my cover design, the whole 9 yards. From start to finish, they have helped me tremendously.
When I went onto the website, a rep was right there to answer all my questions.
I love the quality of editing. Each manuscript is returned with a tracked and a clean version, and they have never missed a deadline.
So when I sent to the PaperTrue to the proofreaders, there were 20. On one page, there were 20 remarks. And that's why I chose them.
Wonderful job of improving my dissertation. Almost all the errors were gone and the sentences were reworded to make it sound more academic.
English is my second language, and every time I send them my paper, I learn a lot from their feedback, comments, and suggestions.
I find PaperTrue extremely useful. They're very efficient, they use native speakers to do the translations, and all the comments and corrections that they suggest are very well thought out.